Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to unbox Amazon Basics pre-seasoned cast iron skillet pan. It comes with detailed guidelines and instructions in different languages on how you should be using this pan. This 12 inches pan is of XL size and it weighs about 3.7 kgs. It costs 1399 rupees but is definitely a great investment considering the health benefits that we get while cooking in cast iron pan or karai. We had no issues with the quality of this product, but considering that it weighs 3.7 kgs, it will not be that easy to cook in this pan. And we decided to return this and go for a smaller size. Its surface is very smooth and well finished, and just by looking at the pan you will get an idea that food will not stick in this. If you are okay with the weight, maybe you can give this a try, but we decided to go for a smaller size. That's all for today's video. Bye bye.